Hey, let me show you how you can fix Bluetooth connectivity issues of your JBL Go Essential 2nd generation. So basically, I've got 3 tips for you. First of all, and the most basic tip, if you cannot use this device, for example, it's losing connection, you can simply try to repair it one more time by clicking on the power button. You have to just turn it on, then click on the power button, and now just connect your device again by going to the settings, Bluetooth, and then pick it up from available devices list. But if it is still not working, you can try to perform a hard reset. So how you can perform the hard reset? It's actually quite simple. You will have to press and hold the volume up button and the play button, or sometimes volume up button and the Bluetooth button. It actually depends. Just try the volume up and the Bluetooth button. Let's click and hold it. And now we have to wait for around 10 seconds. And after that, this speaker will turn off, and then it will turn on into the, there we go. As you can hear, we just switched this device off. So now click on the power button one more time to turn it on, and simply try to connect your speaker again by putting this one more time into the Bluetooth pairing. So if you were previously connected, just forget this device and simply try to select this from the Bluetooth available devices list. You can also try to restart your Bluetooth settings. As you can see in my case, now I can find it, so I'm gonna click on it. And as you can see now, I'm successfully connected. If it is still not working, then you can try to perform the software update of your device. So in my case, I'm actually using iPhone, but it looks the same for Android, for example. And additionally, if nothing works, you can try to perform the reset of Bluetooth and the network settings on your current device. So at the top, you will have to input the reset phrase. And right here, you have to search for the reset network settings. It's available here. And select reset, and now select reset network setting. In some other phones, you can also select, instead of the network settings, just to reset the Bluetooth settings. And that's everything. This is all my tips. Let me know if it works.